children's needs is to listen.
Jamaica is a great country. We have the fastest man on earth. Not to mention the music. One love, one heart. We have the nicest beaches. And the nicest food.
But most of all, we have the brightest, most beautiful children. Hi, I'm Stacey Ann, otherwise called Mommy or Auntie Stacey, and today I'm going to take you on a journey into the mind of a child. Ready for some interesting conversation? Come now. What's the favorite thing you like about your school?
I love to learn.
You love to learn? All right. And Paris?
I like everything that I do in class.
Okay. All right. And Aliyah?
I like my teacher.
Oh, everybody loves the teacher?
Yeah!
All right. All right. Okay, another question now. We're going to talk about Jamaica, our country. Tell me some of the things that you like about your country. Alex?
I like to go to country and I like to go to the stadium.
Okay. And Malik? Malik, you like the flag? Why do you like the flag?
Because it looks pretty.
Okay. Nadia, what do you like about Jamaica?
I love it because it's my country and it's beautiful.
Wow, that's nice. It is beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, but hold on. There are some things about Jamaica that we don't like. Tell me some of the things about Jamaica that we don't like.
Those gunmen going around and shooting up people and then there's gunmen in my valley. And sometimes when gunmen come around in my valley, they put the gun and shoot it.
And how does that make you feel?
Bad.
That makes you feel sad.
My blood is gonna burst out.
Well, we know all of the things that we don't like about Jamaica. Can anybody tell me about some of the things you do to make things better?
I go to church and bless the Lord. I go to church and pray.
Voices of our future. The children who will one day be the decision makers, the managers, the legislators who will run the country. The government, through its various ministries, education, youth, health, remains focused on ensuring that these little people get what they need to be the best they can be.
When I grow up, I want to be a policeman, soldier, nurse, ballerina, hairdresser, doctor, lawyer, ice skater, police, fast like Usain Bolt.
Wow, such big ambitions for such little ones. I wonder what the older children might say.
Shuka.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I would like to become a teacher.
I want to help the country so it can be a better place so we can train and do other things.
What do you want to be, Mr. Head Boy?
I would like to pursue a field in astronomy.
You want to be in astronomy? Wow, why? Why astronomy?
Because the vast area outside Earth's atmosphere fascinates me.
I'm sure some of you have things about Jamaica, or maybe all of us have things about Jamaica that we really like, and there are other things that we don't like so much. Can you share with me some of the things you don't like? And when you tell me the thing that you don't like, you have to tell me how you would fix it if you got the chance.
I do not like the crime and violence in Jamaica. The situation why there are criminals out there because there are not a lot of jobs in Jamaica.
The people of Jamaica really look up to the singers and they're a big influence to them. So I think that if they were behaving better and singing more positive songs, the Jamaica wouldn't be like this. And I think that the way I would fix it, if someone or even like this gathering, students could tell them and talk to them, and the people of Jamaica put down their foot and say, not going to do this, they're going to fix the music in Jamaica so that they can sing more positive songs so the upcoming generation can be better and listen to better lyrics.
This is Jamaica's promise. Gifted and talented children, learning, growing, getting ready to make their mark. But they need you and me, each and every Jamaican, to make this land a place where they'll be safe, where they'll have an opportunity to learn and grow up. Let's make that commitment today. Until next time, remember,
all I want is a chance to go home.